Alright guys, hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub. So guys, quickly I want us to learn how to stitch a cam collar. Alright, this is a safari suit. Okay, so it's a new trick I want to show us. Now this is my cam collar. In case you don't know how to cut a cam collar, you can check my channel. I have several videos on how to cut a cam collar. I cut this to be 3 inches wide. The length is compared to the length of the neck. I usually shorten it by 3 inches. Alright, so we can check this neck size. You'll discover the difference between this neck size and that cam collar is 3 inches. So we still have 20 and a half here. Alright, so if you check the collar size there, you discover that we have a difference of 3 inches. Now that is the center back line. You can see where I made a notch on the collar is going to match with the center back stitch line. So watch carefully. I'm going to stitch to one end. Now when I get to the end of this very stitch I'm making here, I will take note of the excess I'm having. Just watch, I'll show you what I'm talking about. And guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share my videos, and I would really appreciate. So look at this right here. Now I'll use my tape and measure to see what is remaining here. That's 1.5 inch. Can you see that? So I'll come to this side. Now this is where the trick comes in. This is to get a perfect alignment on both sides. I'll come to this side here. All right, let me make a notch here first. So I'll measure, you see, I'll mark where that 1.5 inch is. Then I'll place the collar this other side of the collar there. Then I'll stitch back to the center back. That's the center of the neck. And you see, very simple, easy and straightforward. Now like I said, this is a safari suit. It's a safari suit, so the stitch here is going to be in. So I'll stitch back to the center. Now watch carefully how I'm going to turn this. Alright, like I said, it's an inside sewn. It's a suit. This is a safari suit I'm making here. I just decided to do this so as to carry you guys along, to just teach you one or two things from it. The lining is beginning to give way there, so just want to fasten it. You see, so carefully we'll still begin at the center. This is the center. You see the center stitch for the lining. Just watch what I'm doing. Just watch carefully. See what I'm doing. I'll turn it in, pull it out. Very simple. Just observe carefully and you'll get everything is quite simple. So once I make that notch there, I'll come over to the end of the collar. Right, stitch. Let me notch it first so that it will be very visible for us. So I'll stitch, and this stitch right now I'm making is about a half inch. Okay, it's about half an inch stitch that I'm making. Stitch it carefully, carefully, carefully. Stitch it carefully, carefully, carefully to the center back. All right, center back. I'll get to the center back. We'll still stop there. You could choose to stop here. Let's just continue. You could choose to stop here, or and then go start the other side and still come back to the center like we did on this first side. Okay, whichever you do, just ensure that there is perfect alignment, and that'll be all. So I'll ensure that there is perfect alignment here, and that will be all. There won't be any challenge at all. That is me ensuring that it's well aligned. Okay. See this? We're almost there. So guys, like I said, we are almost there. Yep, so you can see I'm going to notch it, unnotch it, unnotch it, unnotch it, carefully notch it, carefully notch it. I'm notching so that when I turn it, I'll have perfect alignment. It will align well. Okay, that's why I'm notching it. So turn it over and we see how our cam color it's looking. Turn the other side as well and we'll see how cam color is looking. Guys, this is very simple and straightforward. At this point, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Guys, this is powerful. This is top notch. This is the best cam color video you can never find online. My videos are always the best. Alright guys, so I have my classes, my suit class, safari suit class, vintage shirt class. I have 7 classes. Okay, anyone you want to join, just let me know and I will add you up to it. Yeah, so this is it for now. We are done. Try this out. Let me see your result. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to all your questions. All right, thank you so much. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub. See you in my next video. Thank you.